Hey guys, welcome back to Pot's Mama Bear. Today's video we are doing another like kids robotic spider robot. The first one we did was this little guy, and yeah. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. You're going to need, of course, the spider robot, a screwdriver, a Phillips screwdriver, and some AA batteries. So we're going to go ahead and open this and take out all the parts.
Dang. This is straightforward.
And the instructions.
You definitely need that.
So, we have everything that we need for this spider robot that we're going to build.
Can I open
You
this?
can buy these at Walmart. Ow.
Okay.
Yep. I hit my hand on the thing.
What's the string for?
I think you put this on the door and it climbs up. I think.
No, you attach it to the robot first and then it comes on.
Okay, so we're taking out all of the parts. This is way more parts than what
You did before.
was with the crazy robot.
This robot's cool. I like the robot. I like robots. So the boy just killed the other robot. The old robot and this robot.
Okay,
This is like.
so that's all the parts for this. We're gonna just make sure
What's this?
that we have them all. Okay, so this is A, this is B, this is C and D, E, oh, okay, ew,
What was that? What was that?
it's got oil on it.
Ew. I'm not touching it.
These are, E and F.
Why won't this be wiped off? Didn't feel it.
The motor is G.
I think the oil is a part of it.
H, I, J. This is K and L put together already.
Bless you.
Oh my goodness, excuse me.
Bless you.
Thank you. This is K and L. Here's M, N. All of these are O. P,
And T.
Q. And these screws are R. Okay. So now the first thing that we're going to do
Is the body?
is we are actually going to put the wires
Should I move these?
in. You can.
Okay.
The motor inside
need to
the
Here you go. The body.
body. So we're doing the first step,
Wait, where do you put the wires?
and the
at?
wires go down, just like this, and they're gonna go into the little holes that are on the sides. Let me scroll in just a little bit so you guys can see what I'm doing. Okay. That goes just like that. And now we're going to put the body on top.
Oh wait, that one already has wires.
Oh wait. Nope, that's not it. It's this.
This one only has wires.
Yeah, it's the battery thing. See?
When you put batteries.
Yeah.
And
Okay,
then
so
you
we're
turn
gonna
on
put
and then it
this,
just goes.
and it's already got all the gallons, or not gel, the oil and
Yeah.
grease on it.
So don't touch that. You don't.
So we're just gonna put this down, and I'm actually gonna get a wipe to wipe this, some of this off.
I'm gonna get wipes fast.
And then we're going to open up the screws.
Can I screw it on after? Yeah. That's right.
Thank you.
Yeah. Yes, you definitely need it. I think that's an extra screw.
Okay, so now we're gonna wipe off all this extra right here.
You don't want that on your robot because it's gonna be greasy.
Okay.
You play with it. Yep.
So now we're gonna go ahead and put the screws, because that's the second step.
Can I help you?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, can I help?
Yep.
Is there a screw going on? Oh, yeah.
Okay. So now that the screws are on there,
Can we each put it on?
we're gonna go ahead and tighten these up.
Is it harder than as like the other one?
Kind of. So we did find these at Walmart. I believe I seen something like this at another store. Not really sure which. Oops, which one.
And I dropped it.
I think it may be
It's under it.
Barnes and Noble.
Which one's the noble?
But if you guys see any little DIY kits like this, let us know in the comment box below, and we will try to find it so we can show you guys how to put them together on camera.
What?
Okay, so now that we got that done, oops. Now we are going to do step 3, which is take, oh wait, we're flipping it over. We're going to take this wheel and we're going to put it on this little white piece right here. And then we're going to take one of those little screws and we're going to tighten it. So while we're doing this, we are also going to use our little string. Oops.
This string?
And we're going to try not to tangle it.
Should I put this piece on?
It's more of like a small paracord.
Should I put this piece on?
No, not yet.
I don't.
So what we're gonna do is we're just going to put the string through these pieces right here.
That's how you do it?
Mm-hmm.
Oh. When I grow up, I think I should buy those. Those look fun to build.
Okay, well, you're just going to put that down just like that. Okay, so that's step 3. Step 4 is putting this other one right here next to it.
So
you want to make sure that your string is in there. So now that we have that done, oh, we just did step 5 at the same time. There was a little piece that went inside there.
What little piece?
It was J, so it looks just like that. Can't take it out,
I think you just have to leave it.
but it goes inside there and you just press in there. Now we are going to
Do step 6. Miss this.
turn this over, I think. Nope. We're going
Like
to leave
that.
it.
Go.
And we are going to place this
These are getting lost. No.
this
Did you turn it
this way.
Yeah.
So you just line up the little holes with these
Big ones.
with these things right here. You're just gonna hold it on there like that and
Do you
put
need the screws?
3 of those screws.
Where should I put the screws at though?
One goes right here.
Oh, okay. I can see. Yeah, put it on.
And then we're gonna get the screwdriver. Actually, I'm thinking we should have pulled this out a little bit. Let me see if I can. Oh, okay, it's pretty easy to pull. So we're just
Can you
gonna
put these right here.
tighten these up. Oops.
That piece can go with it. All the other pieces can go.
Okay, so now we are done with step 6, and we are going to go turn this over.
We need to do step 7 and just putting these on. Right?
Hold on. So we're gonna turn it over, I believe. And we are going to put, let me see.
Where's these legs?
I'm trying to figure out which way it actually goes. So I don't want to put the legs on backwards.
You can do it like this.
Okay. So
This
it
goes
looks
like
like the bigger legs go in the front. Like that.
Should I put the other one on?
And then the smaller ones,
Does it go like,
wait a minute. Wait a minute, I just did it backwards.
Oh.
Okay,
So it goes like that?
so it goes like this
That goes up.
and like this.
So this can click on?
But I actually did it the opposite way. So the big one goes like this. Okay, sorry about that, guys. So now that we have this part on, we are going to be putting the second part of the legs on. And
Do you also need these?
now that we got those on, we are going to be putting these little like red buttons over them.
Oh, nice. Is that in all right?
Just have to-
Ooh.
Uh-oh.
Ooh, what happens?
Did I break it? Oh, no.
Wait,
Okay.
where's those pieces then?
It's the... Oh, it came out of the little thing. It's okay.
Oh.
We didn't break it.
Ooh.
Okay. So now that we have that, Now we are going to do step 8,
Is it this piece?
which is the battery. So we gotta flip it back
Can
over.
I put the batteries in?
And we are actually going to be putting the wires together and into these holes right here. You guys go get ready or whatever. Or, no, forget it. Okay. It's okay. So now we're just gonna go ahead and put these, oop. If we can keep them in there. And we're just gonna put this little black peg in there.
Want help?
No, I'm trying to.
I can like put it in and you can hold those.
It's alright, I got it. Okay. So now we're gonna just press those in and just be careful when you press them in. Okay. So now we're gonna do the red wires.
Hey, it matches the robot.
Okay. So now we're gonna put that,
Can I put this in?
and then we're gonna,
Okay.
no, because it's kind of hard to push in because you have the wires right here.
Oh yeah.
And we're gonna just gently
Put it in
push that in.
so it won't break.
So that way it looks like that. And then we are going to do step 10, which is,
I put these on. Put these together.
hold
Put
on.
coins in it. Huh? Oh no, you just connect it. Yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna pull some of this out.
Is that some?
Pull some of that out.
Doesn't look like some. It looks like a lot actually.
And actually, I gotta fix this inside really quick and we will be back. Okay guys, I'm really sorry about that. I pulled a little too hard and the string actually came out from in between these two wheels right here. So now all I'm going to do is we are going to make like a loop. Like a loop knot.
So it won't come apart.
And we're gonna go like this. And then we're going to take the loop, and it looks like we're gonna put it in between here. So you're gonna have this, and you're going to put it into the smaller one.
Can I click this on?
And then we're going to take this and put it on just like that. So that way it could stay on there like that. And then now
Like walkie-talkie. Actually does.
now
I don't know. I think this goes to.
okay. So before we do any of the other steps, we are actually going to put the batteries in here and make sure that this is to the off position.
The other one just in case if it's like.
Yep, it's in the off position. Now we're gonna put 2 batteries.
Accidentally turn on, please. I actually want to see how it works.
And then we're going to
Put it's going to be calling it though. We all gonna be scared. You put like that.
I figured that the wires would be covered, but it's not.
I think you cover with this. I think.
No. Okay.
Oh yeah, the wires.
So now we're going to put the screw in here. Well, first, actually, we're going to make sure it works. Okay.
It doesn't fall away like the other one.
Yeah.
So it does
One.
work. Now all we're gonna do is tighten up this
Actually,
screw.
it jumped away.
Oh yeah. It says it can walk too.
Mm-hmm.
But we don't
Walk
know how to
and jump.
How can you make it walk?
Okay, so 10. It says one end double over the string. Let me see.
I'm confused.
And then this is supposed to be like a, it's like a weight
It looks like it's.
for, yeah. Okay, so we are going to go find a little rock or something,
I'm gonna find it.
and we will show you guys how we put this together. Okay guys, so we have our little rocks. What we're gonna do is we're gonna put our string through the top of this one and through the bottom of this one,
Did you have to put something in this first?
and then we're gonna put the rocks in there to add some weight, and we're just going to close it like that, and we're going to double up the or double over this string again,
So it won't fall.
so it doesn't, this doesn't fall off. And I just got like a rope ring.
Are you okay?
You okay?
So that's it for this. Now we are going to go and
Okay, up somewhere.
hang this up on one of our doors, and then we'll be able to show you guys how this works. Okay guys, so now we are going to turn it on, and that is how it works. So we'll just watch it go down to the bottom,
It stops with.
and it stops. So yeah guys, that's it for the video, and if you guys see anything else like this at Walmart or anywhere else that you guys want to see us put together, go ahead and let us know in the comment box below, and we'll see you guys in our next video. We love you guys.
Bye.